Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all. I'm the new face here. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Nancy Anthony. I'm here to deal with fashion studies. Okay. It's our first period, it's our first day, it's our new beginning. So start with the prayer. So let's start. Okay. Just close your eyes for a fraction of a second. Okay, it's enough. Where is your friends? Don't they like fashion studies? What are you thinking? Meghna,
And
unmute.
now
Hmm?
only together.
Okay. Others from humanities group or right?
We are humanities.
Okay, we are okay, good. So let's start. Okay, first of all, who wants to be a fashion designer? Okay, Raina. What about Sana and Meghna? Meghna, just slowly raise your hand. Okay, okay. I don't push you to take this as a profession, but study as subject is not only for a profession. Then, then, Sana, Sana, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, hello.
Yes,
Can you hear
yes,
me?
yes.
Okay. Study as subject is not only for a profession, but also,
To learn new things.
yeah, learning things, and that is very useful in our daily life, right? Okay. What about you think about? What about think about fashion studies, or what do you expect from these fashion studies? Share your ideas. What do you expect from fashion studies? I mean, after the studies, after these fashion studies or after the degree, we have a lot of professions are there. Which profession do you like most? Means which area do you like most? Right now. Any idea?
In fashion,
In fashion studies, there are a lot of divisions. That means profession like a designer, we can start a boutique, or we can work as a freelance designer. You heard about it? Hmm? Do you like is the most? Which do you like
I
most?
like to be a designer,
But
I but when I was like kind of seventh, I like to be a fashion designer. But because of my drawings and all, like
no.
it's important to be in like
Do,
fashion.
do you know just draw a line? A single line, straight line. Okay, then you are okay with fashion studies. Right. Do you know how?
How?
We are living with very technological factors are here, right? Through the technological advancements, we can draw anything, we can study anything. Okay, so that's not a big problem. Okay, okay, you are eligible. Okay, then what about Sana?
I
Sana,
like drawing, so designing.
designing. You like the most designing? Okay. Which designing? There is textile designing, apparel designing. What about? Which one? Which one do you like most?
Every
Come on. Leather
designing.
designing. So many designing sections are there. As a lady,
Like designing the
you like the
clothes.
most designing clothes, right? Yes. Okay. Nowadays, fashion become as an integral part of our society, right? Knowingly or unknowingly, we all follow the fashion. When we heard about the word fashion, what will come first in our mind? It's not an official question. Just speak up. Meghna.
The way we dress, like clothes.
Yeah, close. But there is some problem. That is, fashion is not only related to the clothes. But also it's related to what? Any idea? Cuisine, furniture, mode of transportation, leisure activities, and accessories, and etc. Okay, so fashion is not only related to clothes, right? So in these items, these item or department, mode of transportation, leisure activities, so many things are there, I said. And what is fashion? What may be a fashion? Just share your idea. It's our first day, so let me know.
All thing we wear,
Pardon?
all thing we wear, all
Okay.
thing, everything
Bad.
we use,
Hmm.
like it's fashion.
Simply, fashion is a style. First of all, we can say fashion is a style, right? It's created by an individual with the societal preferences. Okay, so without the societal preferences or societal acceptance, the fashion cannot stay more, right? So, okay, when I see your faces, you are not happy, right? When I see your faces, you are not happy with fashion studies. All are gloomy. Whatever Miss is speaking. Huh? Right? I'm not going to study this period seriously. Okay? I'm going to give an all round about the fashion designing. Okay. From next periods onwards, start the serious learning. Okay. So, have your food? Okay. Then, in fashion designing, this +1, +2 year is very important because in the first session, that means in +1 level, we study about the basics. Like all the subjects, fashion studies also have the basics. Without these basics, you can't enter into the +2. You can't enter to the +2 because without the basics, we can't do any practicals, right? Yes, okay. Just nod your head or raise your hand. Okay, it's enough for me. Okay. And if any questions or doubts in fashion designing, that means fashion design, fashion studies, please ask, no problem. Okay. 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 So I'm very happy to see even in screen. It's our first beginning through the screen. So little sad. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Through these pandemic situations, +1, +2 is very important. It's very important because it decides your future. It molds your future. Okay. So don't lose these times. Study well. Fashion designing is a creative studies, but we have to study well. Okay. Then what else? Speak up. Meghna. Cheer up. Sana, Raina, where is your friends? Where is your friends? I'm very sad. I have 8 students, but only 3 students are here. Right? Only 3 students are here. Where is your friends? Okay, next class we will see. Okay, I'm going to punish them. Okay, with questions. Okay. Okay, so in this journey, I'm here to lead you to the better future. Okay, as a best companion, as a best teacher too. So if you have any doubt, the next classes, we have to Okay, 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 ready. So, study the fashion studies. That makes you creative. Okay, that makes you creative, and let know about the new trends. New trends. You should be creative after these studies. And then what? Share your ideas. If anything is there. Come on, Reina. Reina, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What about, okay, outcome is, what is an outcome after studying the fashion studies?
Like we draw, like you know how to design.
Drawing is
Design.
must. Drawing is must for Reina, right?
No, I'm better weak in drawing.
Okay. I think this year, only the theory is very important. This year is for only the theory. I think like that. After in fashion studies, overall we have 4 units are there. First one is overview of fashion. The second one is introduction to fabrics, dyeing, printing methods, like that. After that, second chapter, we should know about the printing methods, dyeing methods, and then what about textiles? Okay, different types of textiles. And then the third unit is fundamentals of basing, fundamentals of basic fundamentals of fashion. Okay, and the last chapter is garment making. So practical is involved in garment making. But this year, we have no much more time. So the practicals are very less periods. Okay, the next, Sana. Sana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine? Fine? Okay. Okay, tell me, what else? Come
Ma'am,
on.
where are you from?
I'm from Kodagara. Kodagara, Kopragalam. Do you know that place? Raina, no. Sana, do you know?
I have heard it somewhere.
Okay. Okay, then. Then what else?
From which college you graduated?
Women's Academy of Fashion. And doing degree now from Bharathiar University. Okay. Okay. Then,
You know
Rain.
that National Institute of Fashion in Chennai? What's the name? You know?
NAFD.
Yeah, I like to go
NAFD.
there.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. I'm happy to know that. I'm happy to hear that because it's a very.
It's hard, like get
Hello?
there. It's hard to get there.
Yes, it's hard to get that. After you have to write exams, entrance exams. After the plus two, you have to prepare for that. Okay.
My cousin was there.
Okay. It
She
will be
was
very
doing
easy.
like leather. She's doing leather
With the
design.
designing. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Nowadays, fashion designing is very, very, very popular, right? So after 2 or 3 years, it will become superb. So select that subject as a profession. And also, we can work from home, right? After designing, we can work from home. It's a privilege, right? It's a privilege. As a housewife, it's a privilege. So it's the right profession to choose for ladies. Is the best. Is the best profession, and we choose this profession for the better income. Okay. Next. What do you want from me? Magna is smiling. Okay. Just let's start with an introduction in fashion designing. Are you ready? Okay, nod your head. All nod your head. Okay. Our first chapter is overview of fashion. In the unit overview of fashion, we have a small chapters. And write down the lecture notes, not now. And don't take your textbooks, don't need to take your textbooks. Now I'm just giving the introduction part. So listen well. Okay. So as I said before, fashion is a style that is created by an individual with the societal preferences. Without these societal preferences, fashion can't stay more. Right. The key to its core strength is aspiration value. Did you heard about it? Aspiration value? Just an aspiration, just the word aspiration. Sana? Aspiration. What do you mean by aspiration? Okay, no problem. I can tell you. Aspiration means wish, aspire. That means wish, which refers the people aspire to be fashionable. Aspire to be fashionable. Okay, it is the key to its core strength of the fashion. Right? Okay, clear it? Okay. Then next, a garment. To become a fashion, a garment has to reflect the socio-cultural ethos in the time. Socio-cultural ethos. Okay, we will go in detail the next chapter. Just know the word socio-cultural ethos in the time. This is a phrase, ethos in time or spirit of the time or spirit of the age. This is a phrase. Okay? Its meaning we will discuss about the next period. Okay. Now, just we are speaking about the introduction. That means fashion. To become a fashion, a garment has to be, has to be reflected by socio-cultural. Yeah, acceptance, not acceptance, socio-cultural spirit of time or ethos of time. Right. Okay. Fashion designing is a small business, not small business, it's a large business. We are going to study which way the fashion is a business. Okay. So, fashion is a business, serious business with a well-coordinated cycle of activities. Well-coordinated cycle of activities. That means in the fashion industry or behind the fashion, there are a lot of procedures, there are a lot of persons are there. Okay. So, fashion is a serious business with a well-coordinated cycle of activities from the concept to the creation of the clothes is the main point here. From the concept to the creation. Okay. We are exam oriented, right? So don't miss the important points. Okay. It's a question for you. It's a question. It's an important question in question papers. Like question is, in which way fashion is a serious business? So you have to answer like this. Fashion is a serious business. Come on. Tell me anyone. Who is the smart student? Who is the smart student?
It's up to create.
Meghna. Okay. Meghna, come on, speak up.
Fashion is a serious business from
Business.
concept to creation.
From concept to, but don't miss that point, the cycle of activities. Okay? A cycle of activities are there. Okay, tell me. From the concept to
Creation.
creation of clothes. Very good. So in fashion industry, there are a lot of persons are there behind that. Okay, just guess, Raina, who are they? Just imagine, just imagine. Who are they?
Designers.
Yeah, designers, very good.
Then who sells like cloth, the cloth we should make.
Retailers,
Garment.
wholesalers,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then Sana, Sana,
Stitches,
hmm?
tailors,
Tailors, no, that is designers. Okay, okay, designers. Okay, then
yarn makers,
then okay, I can tell you in the order. That is, we have the producers of raw material and designers, then forecasters, then merchandisers, manufacturers, retailers, wholesalers, then media persons, etc. In these terms, which word is unfamiliar to you? I'm asking because these words is these words will come the next chapters onwards. Or through this plus one, plus two fashion studies, these words should have familiar with you. Okay. So just clear now. Just clear it. That means which word is unfamiliar to you? Okay. I will tell you first. Designers design clothes. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Then what is about raw materials? What do you mean by raw materials? Sana.
The
Okay, okay.
cloth,
Reina, he's here. Reina, come on.
cloth, the stitching material.
Yeah, materials that we are used for a particular
Garment.
cloth, okay, particular garment, okay, or a particular item, okay. Because we can't say cloth because fashion is not only related to
Clothes.
clothes, so we can't say clothes. We can say the items, okay. Then, what about the forecasters? Meghna dear.
Yes, ma'am.
What about forecasters? What do you mean by forecasters?
The people who do the works like uh, making the clothes fully.
Once more? Huh?
The people who makes this, I mean, from the items to the clothes or garments.
No, forecasting means predict something, right? Predict something. In fashion industry, forecasters predict the trends in the future. That happens in the future, trends, right? So the designer companies, the group of designers follow that trend. Okay. Then it will accepted by the society. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so okay. Then next is manufacturers. Manufacturers. What do you mean by manufacturers? Sana,
those who manufacture the clothes,
manufacture, clothes.
the clothes.
Yes, near to the answer. It is a person or company that makes goods for sale, right? It is a person or company that makes goods for sale. That is manufacturing. Okay. Then merchandising. What do you mean by merchandising, Raina?
The person who sells
Hmm.
the clothes, manufactured ones.
Not clear.
The person who sells
Hmm.
the clothes, manufactured clothes.
Sells, no dear. They are responsible for everything about the product. They are responsible for everything to a product from the moment of it's delivered to a shop. From the moment it is delivered to a store to the moment a shopper to put off it from shelf. Put it above from shelf, right? So they are responsible for everything about the product. Okay. Simply we can say they're doing marketing. They're doing marketing very well. That is the role of merchandisers in fashion industry. Right. Got it. Okay. The next is retailers. Retailers. Again, Magna.
Those who
Blink your
purchase
video. Bling your videos.
the videos.
There is any connectivity problem? Is it now
I,
okay? Now it's okay. Come on.
the persons who purchase
Hmm.
the clothes.
Not purchase. Retailers means we can buy the product in small quantity, right?
Yes.
Retailers means they sell the products in small quantity so that we can buy that at not in cheaper rate, high cost. Okay. But in just opposite to the wholesalers. Wholesalers means what? They sell the product in large quantity. So we get the items at cheaper rate. Right. Okay.
Yes.
The next is media persons. Media persons. What they did? Hello, Sana. What is the role of
They
media
are
persons in
doing
fashion industry?
like advertisements.
Advertisements. Tell me
Then,
in one word. Tell me in one word. Through the advertisements, what they do?
through the advertisement, they will attract the persons.
Yes, they will
So
attract the persons. That means they boost fashion industry, right? They boost the fashion industry, right? Okay. So through this fashion business, our national economy is thriving. It stimulates our national economy. Clear it? Is it clear? Stimulates our national income, national economy through the ways of domestic trade and international trade. Do you heard about it? Did you heard about it? Domestic trade and international trade. No. Okay. Domestic trade means the fashion business within the country. Domestic trade means fashion business within the country. Okay. The next international trade refers just opposite. So think. So imagine. Come.
To
Uh,
countries.
Come on.
shipping to countries.
Yes, export and import. Export and import, the fashion business is dem- what is international trade. So we are discussed about international trade and domestic trade and fashion business. Okay. Okay, this is enough for this period. Okay. So let's revision. Let's revise these points once again. What is fashion? It's not a definition. Just I'm saying, just I said before, fashion is a
Style.
yeah, style. Fashion is a style created by Sana, created by
individual,
yes, created by an individual. Then with some important point. With
Society.
societal preferences. Yes, societal preferences is very important point. Without the societal preferences, we can't do anything. Okay. Okay. Then what else we studied? Come, Reina, come forward. I don't want to call your name. Just forward. Just impressed me with your voice. Okay, come on. Reina, Sana, Meghna. Meghna.
Fashion is a serious business of creation, concept to creation,
From the
and
concept to creation.
create.
Okay, very good. Okay, fine. Okay, that's fine. And then,
And it the fashion does not mean to clothes only, but the shoes and etc.
Okay. Then Sana, then
Fashion is not only about clothes, it's about
it's already said.
furnitures.
It's already said by Meghna. Right, Meghna? It's already said. Yes. Sana.
Then
Then
mm,
then some important
fashion
persons includes fashion industry, right? Which persons are they? Come on. Our time is near to winding up. Come on.
producers, manufacturers,
Hmm.
the
Producers
in,
of raw materials, manufacturers,
then
merchandisers. The main point you missed. What is that?
mm,
The main point?
Designers.
Yeah, designers. I thought you say first that answer. Okay. Then
then
retailers,
retail.
wholesalers, media persons. So many persons are there behind the fashion industry. Okay, we should know about that. Okay, okay. Then I'm giving to not a homework. Just make a notebook and just make a list of famous fashion designers. That is very useful to your future. Famous international fashion designers, and one by one we have to prepare just for a presentation. Okay, just a brief about that. Just a brief about that person's. Okay, it's not a homework. It's a daily work or weekly work. Okay, when you get free time, when you get only free time, okay, when you get the free times, just know about the fashion designers, famous fashion designers, international fashion designers. Okay, it will be very helpful after these 2 years. Okay, okay. So today we are winding up the session. Okay, are you happy or interesting? I'm not a serious one, right? I'm not a serious one, only serious in subject. Okay, fashion studies is very important subject. Okay, it's very important subjects. It's not only stitch. It's not only meant to stitch clothes. Okay, it's not only meant to I mean tailoring. Tailoring, that is not our word. We are using just fashion designers. Okay, 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 Sana. Okay, not tailoring. Okay, then what else? Come on, come on, speak up. Yes, Reina is going to speak up. Just blinking your eyes. Okay. Okay. Then we are winding up today's session, or not today's session, this period. After that, next period onwards, next period, which time?
10:45.
10:45. From 10:45, we will become serious. Okay. Next is an official definition of fashion and factors affecting fashion that's coming next period. So don't miss these periods. Okay. Okay. So tata, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.